Our bathroom grout has obvious black marks and cracks. So this is how I refreshed our bathroom tile grout, my version of practical minor regrouting. I bought these grout removing tools to scrape and cut the dirty, moldy, weak part of the grout. This is to give the new grout enough depth for it to hold itself as coached by my neighbor doing interiors. After making sure it's dry and clean, I use this antibacterial biocide grout and waterproofing solution. This liquid replaced the water component needed for the grout paste, following the advice from Slater Young. I let it dry for 24 hours. There were unevenness, so I used sandpaper, thinking that water should be able to flow down to the drain. Then cleaned the dust and applied this Grout Sealer 3 times to be sure, and waited for another 24 hours to fully dry. And voila! Here's the result to my DIY Grout Refresh or minor bathroom regrouting.